Today I'm gonna make roti. Paratha, roti. Clap on roti, roti. Let's go.
I love my roti.
This is what? This is all-purpose flour, right?
All-purpose, yeah.
I never know how much baking powder to add.
One and a half. One and a half.
Dalaka one there.
And half.
Half.
Okay.
Salted butter, but you can do sprinkle of salt. You mix with your hand?
Yes, mix with my
Oh
hand.
my god, and people on Facebook will say this girl mix a roti with your hand.
I wash my hands.
What do you mix them with your foot? So this is butter mixed with a little oil.
Try half. We have about two spoons.
2 spoons.
2 spoons.
Drizzle on some?
Drizzle, yeah. Not drizzle on my hand. Water is a little warm, so the warmth.
Oh, lukewarm.
Yes.
No, it's a little more lukewarm.
The softer you knead the dough, the softer the roti is gonna be.
And make sure you get your hair inside the roti, right?
No, I hate the roti. It's amazing how I don't see the hair, but the people don't see.
They see the hair on your head. We just like eat hair it's extra protein. Them I eat, them I do like them I cook for them.
Okay.
Can you hear me? I must be like, that's not how Guyanese people make roti. I'm like, yeah, because we're making roti. We're not making roti.
Clean my bowl.
Clean out your bowl.
Clean.
You a left hand.
I'm a lefty. Yep.
Considering left people,
Smart people, you know.
no, they say left hand people is witches. You're a witch. Stop it, you bounce back.
Yep.
10 minutes. Wow.
I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna just average it.
Average, yeah.
I'm gonna show you a smart way.
Smart way. Wow, a little flour, sprinkle dinkle.
Yeah. I'm doing a big one.
Oh, you do
Yeah.
you do new stuff.
New stuff.
Oh, people gonna get upset. You're gonna make peace. It's not Instagram and TikTok are good. They like the modern twists and the new
Yeah.
stuff.
And this is from.
And then Facebook people who is like for crying. I know how you guys these people do. Ah!
I'm sure they do it too.
No, not Facebook. You can't break tradition when it comes to Facebook.
Well,
Them a
I
crying
don't-
holla. Them a go up on them keyboard quick, fit type. Oh, I bet this and I bet that.
I'll use my hand.
Them a roll. Them a pressure go up. Them a watch. This na Guyana roti. Them Facebook people have type. I can feel it already while we're filming. Them a type big
And
thing.
there you go, guys.
Oh
This is
my
what you-
god. You really want people to tell about Abby father and mother and Abby front and Abby back?
And you can make it bigger. You can cut it at a bigger.
Oh, no, tell them now,
Big,
guys.
you can cut it.
All them big chef in Guyana and Trinidad and Netherlands and England, they're ready. Them prime up. About themselves.
The changes are good.
TikTok are like this because TikTok is about modernization and
Yeah.
trying new
You
things,
know,
new hacks.
um,
Instagram is good. The comments are
you
usually
go.
good. It's them Facebook people who like to tell
No,
Abby
that's-
about Abby life.
Now I'm gonna do traditional.
Oh, thank God. I thought you're trying to save yourself.
I'm gonna roll it out. You don't have to be any kind. You can make any mop you want.
Guyana map, make Guyana
And
map.
I'll now.
Think I say Abby show too much oil.
Like
Proper
that.
Abby name. Okay.
And then you
This
go.
is how me know for do.
This is how you know.
They gonna say how you cone ugly. They gonna say how you cone nice.
Like I said, don't have to be perfect. And I'll show you another way.
Oh no, which way you want? You get cause up bad. You are them people cause Abby.
This is how I learned from my mom.
Oh God, they're gonna
Yeah.
talk about granny now. They're gonna go frick up the granny in the comment.
This is from my mom, and my mom from Kanji. And it's up to you. Little oil, lots of oil, average oil. So
You do how much you like because you buy the oil, you buy the flour, you buy everything, and this is
You
you
do what
house,
you
and you can do what you want because people online don't pay your bills.
Okay, so now let's go.
Oh no, I've seen this before. Yeah.
Okay, so you go for the fold.
This one looks very easy.
This one is easy, yeah. And then you go like that.
Oh wow, I like that.
And then you go like that. And then you get a nice.
And then what do you do with
Perfect,
it?
right?
You just leave it like that?
Just leave it like that. Yeah.
Just like that with 4 blankets? Like
Yes,
that?
yes.
That look like un cheddar duvet cover.
There you go.
So that have the different kind of lawyer. Well, we got the 4 lawyer, small lawyer, one big lawyer. This is like the real belly.
Yes, this is a real Bailey. Flour it a little.
You get grooves and
Yeah, that's fine. Little grooves.
personality. Abby Roti get personality. Some of you lack personality. Abby one get. Abby Roti get more personality than some
And
people.
I try to just have the ends
This
them
look like a
pinned out.
square.
There.
That's your roti?
That's my
I thought
roti.
you were gonna do better than that on the first one.
No.
How do you do the thing where it goes like this?
There we go.
This is not,
No,
it's not right.
No, yeah.
It's not right.
Yeah,
There's a hole in my roti. Wow. Okay, do a nice one.
I am
You
doing a
don't
nice
like
one.
say nothing. This one for sale.
This one for sale, yeah. If anybody order roti, this is the one.
You only get in this one. Up a tower dip on medium heat. Boom. Did you put oil on the tower first?
Yeah, it's all right.
So the tower had little oil, and then now you wait for what? Bubbles?
Wait for the bubbles, yeah. It takes about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do a flip now.
Okay. And then you put more oil pan them.
More oil, more oil.
Alright.
That's what I call oil roti.
So what you do here?
So I'm just have it dancing a little.
You roll them
Yes.
like Alison Hines. Roll, roll your roti, roll your roti, roll.
I'm gonna flip
Oh
now.
wow, you get a little crisps there, crispsy.
It's rising, yes. That's important.
Yeah, Bobo, that look great.
Okay, you want it to cook? and
Roll, roll your roti.
It doesn't sit and burn.
This roti for Alison Hines. Wow, that's nice. That roti pretty. Pretty like a roti. If anybody ever tell you pretty like a roti, this is what they
There
mean.
you go.
This is exactly what they mean. Pretty like a roti. That's the new compliment of 2024.
Pretty like a roti.
I hope I am calling it pretty like a roti next year.
But so yeah, your roti too big.
Oh, you full
You
on.
fold it and you put the
That's
ends.
like if a roti hang off the end.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you never know. Things happen by. You just flip it over.
Wow.
Flip it back like that. You put the ends in like that.
Beautiful.
Clap,
Called the clap in the clap hand roti. Let's see what you do
There
here.
you go. Just do it like that.
God, this must be
Knock a
hot,
fold.
man.
Yeah.
Knock a fold.
Knock a fold.
Clap hand roti. Open up all the layers.
Layers.
All the nice flaky.
And what pitch means they can pick it and eat.
Okay. Wow, clap hand.
There we go.
You look like somebody Jersey.
Oh my God, look at all
Watch
the
layers.
layers.
Let me see.
Yeah, look at all the
Wow,
layers.
layers. There's a lot of layers to a roti. Like I said, a roti has a lot of personality.
Okay, you gotta lay down.
Oh, dance, roll them like Alison Hines. Ah! Pull on here.
Hold it there, yeah. Hold it. It doesn't matter. Anyway, you gotta
Put
hold
on here.
Put it there.
Drop it.
Drop it, just drop.
And clap.
Clap, clap, and make sure you clap the roti. Don't clap your hand, you know.
So now we're gonna plate up our roti with some squash, some bacon choka, and have a nice hot, fresh paratha roti, aisle roti. That's it there, guys. Enjoy.